Hello guys, today I installed the lamp right here, so I hope you will see better when I try to show you something. So now I have some security pins on there. Please let me know if we can see them properly. Thanks. Now I will show you what I got from. I got some locks today. Somebody gave me some. It was a block apartment block, and they changed their lock, all the bolts. I have 5 of these DLs, that bolt standard. They are key and knob, that pot metal housing. They are good locks, 6-pin, master keyed. Those are wizarded bolt, cheap pot aluminum something. They are crappy. Let me show you how crappy they are. It's basically the same as quickset. So the ray just sets some pins. There we go, picked. I'll just jerk it out off there. Open again. So, but there's quite an interesting thing, but doesn't matter. Crap. So now I will show you the best padlock in the world. It's not a very expensive padlock, but it will never seize up because of the weather. The pin tumbler will always work. Never get corroded or anything because there are no pins inside of there. Let me show you again. Just insert the tension wrench in the bottom of that keyway. Apply tension. Open. I don't know what the fuck is this lock. It's not even a lock. It's a lock-shaped object. It's something in shape of a lock. Plus there's a big hole here. It's just a fail in the casting. I'm sure that if I insert a screwdriver in there and I wiggle it a little bit. Oh crappy is this lock. I can make a cutaway without even having a milling machine because I have a screwdriver. And now I will show you the working mechanism in there. We can see that in the hole, but I need better light. Got a little crap flashlight there. Maybe this will do the trick. So it's a crappy padlock. It's probably from the dollar store. It don't work to even buy it. It's a piece of crap. Look at the thickness. It's, oh my god. The plug is offset. It isn't even centered. It's off by, I don't know, like 100,000th of an inch, 1/10 of an inch. And here the actuator is off by 50 thou easily, and it's harder to lock it then to unlock it. So thank you for watching, guys, and please steady go.